and we hit the text button. And now we give it a name. It is 552.172. So we type this in as 552. The dash we can get to here in this key. And then 172. And then we hit enter. And now whenever we recall program number 13, this number, this part name, will appear right beside it up in the top line. So that's how we give the number. So I'll show you then by scrolling to number 13 and cancel the, we'll move back a little bit. Let me go here, back to 13, and there's the number that appears. Yeah. Okay. Now, how do we search for different programs that are already in the control? We have to go to edit mode. Remember, F3 is automatic mode, F1 is edit mode. And then we go to file clipboard, and then we search up and down until we see the program we need on the screen with the F1 and F2 keys. F1 searches down, F2 searches up. It will go to the very last program in the list that we have entered, and then go back to number 1, the first program. Yeah. Now, to load a program in the diskette, from the main menu, we always go to F1 edit mode, then we go to F6 file clipboard, and then to load, we go F8. That loads from the diskette into the CNC control. In this case, the USB stick is drive D as in dog. So when I press F8, it gives me a window showing the current directory. I hit F2 to get to D. I arrow over into the right column and hit enter. Oh, I loaded. I didn't select the program. So F6, F8 to load, and then I must find the program. So here we've loaded one called, we've saved one called number 1 before. So I arrow over to it and I hit enter. It tells me number 1 already exists. Do I want to overwrite it? For yes, I hit enter. To not overwrite it, I hit escape. So I'll hit escape. Now, to save a program, I get the program that I want to save on the monitor. In this case, it's program number 1. I hit file clipboard and F7 to save. It gives me the directory that I'm going to save it in. In this case, it's drive D, the USB stick. I arrow over to any file there, hit enter, and it tells me it's going to save that as file name number 1. When I hit enter, it writes it to the USB stick. I'm going to escape to get out. But that's how you send and receive, or store and save programs. F1, F6, and then F8 to load a program, or F7 to save a program from double memory out to the USB stick. Okay. Okay.